What is up YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, boom! I'm so excited to bring you my unboxing and my on-feet review of the Adidas 4D Alpha Edge. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are giving away a bunch of stuff including Supreme Boxer Briefs. Yeah, boxer briefs. Easy Calabasas shirt, a new era Street Fighter cap, and a bunch of other items. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, follow me on IG, click the link down below for the rest of the mechanics. Let's get right to it, guys. This is from Good Souls PH. They are an Instagram reseller of sneakers. So shout out to Makoy. Maraming salamat, bro. Appreciate that you were able to pull through for me with this pair. So again, guys, if you take a look at it, it says there 4D. It comes in a black box, a very sleek box compared to a lot of the boxes that you guys see with the releases of Adidas. Take a look at the other side. It's just really all plain, and then you have the Alpha Edge and textured part over here. As you guys can see, it says there Alpha Edge 4D size 12. So this is the pair that we were able to cop. I actually thought that there wouldn't be a size 12 available, that they just ran until size 11. So I was really surprised to find out that they already had size 12s of the 4D Alpha Edge. Now here's the thing, before the 4D technology of Adidas was so widely craved and it was so much hyped that a lot of the prices of the 4D sneakers just shot up like crazy. This is the first pair that was really the easiest to get, and in some countries is just sitting on shelves. So that was really mind-blowing because it was just like a few months ago when the 4D sneakers were just really insanely overpriced and overhyped. But anyway, let's get to the unboxing. So to unbox this, all you have to do is to pull the box upward, and there you go. It's easy as that. You get to see the sneakers. The shoe doesn't come with any extra laces or any accessories. It just comes as is. You have that white prime knit, I think, upper together with grayish stitching along the sides of the shoe. That also serves as some sort of accent that breaks the monotony between the white and the mint midsole. If you take a look at the toe box, it kind of reminds me a lot of the Ultra Boost with the way that it is shaped. And if you take a look at the back, this part is really hard, as in it's really tough. And it does have like some sort of black strip that cuts across the entire section over here. If you take a look at the front, you have white laces, and then you have the Adidas 3 Stripes logo in the on the tongue tab. If you take a look at the midsole, that's where the magic happens. This is the 4D midsole that Adidas has been working on for so long, and it's something that they've been trying to mass produce for the longest time. Initially, their goal was really to be able to do this process so that they can 3D, 4D print a sneaker in their stores after scanning your feet. That was the original intent, to customize how the sole would look like and feel like, so it contours to the actual size and shape of your feet. If you take a look at the outsole, you have the Continental outsole in white. So you have the Continental logo over here, which helps a lot, obviously, in durability and traction. If you take a look at the insole, it just says there 4D in white, overlaid in black. Lastly, you have the Adidas logo here along the side in gray. Now the big question on your mind, which was also on my mind, was the reason why I picked up this pair, is how is it on feet? How is 4D technology on feet? This is supposed to be the evolution of the cushioning technology of Adidas, and the question is, how does it feel? Is it better than Boost? Is it better than the Ultra Boost experience? I would love to say yes. I would love to say that it is superior. I would love to say that this is the best thing that I've ever had on my feet. But the reality is, no. It's not better than Boost. The cushioning that I got from this one, man, I don't know if it was really disappointing. I mean, there are no words to to capture the feeling after I put it on feet. It was a bit hard, it was a bit stiff. I couldn't feel the amount of cushioning that I grew so fond of that I got from the Boost technology of Adidas, or the React technology of Nike, the Everrun technology of Saucony, and all the other whatever foam type technology of the different brands. The 4D technology as it is right now for me isn't really killing it, isn't really making the cut, isn't really making me happy and satisfied, especially for the price that I paid for this sneaker, the price that you guys will be paying for a 4D sneaker like this one. I really think that at this point in time, they haven't made 4D answer the problem that it was, you know, meant to solve when they conceptualized it. And again, I would love to say that that's the case. I really would love to say that that's what I felt while wearing this. But the reality is, and I'm just being honest here, guys, it wasn't. I wasn't comfortable, I wasn't happy, it wasn't the best fit also. I kind of felt that I should have gone half a size or at least a full size up on this one. But that doesn't change the fact that I felt that the 4D technology of the midsole here wasn't really up to par when compared to the other technologies that you see, cushioning technologies of Adidas and the different brands that are offering the same kind of tech. So the question is, do I recommend the Adidas Alpha Edge 4D? As much as, again, I would love to say yes, that it is super cool and super awesome, it delivers on the promise that it, you know, was built on. Unfortunately, I can't say that, I can't approve of it, and I can't recommend it to you guys. You're probably better off buying a really nice Ultra Boost. There are a lot now that are available in the market. The cushioning is fantastic. It is so versatile. You can use it for working out. You can use it in the gym. You can use it for running. You can use it for athleisure, for casual weekends. There's so many use cases for spending that money, hard-earned money, on an Ultra Boost, or if you're on a budget, a Pure Boost. But spending like SRP 16,000 pesos on an Alpha Edge 4D, or if you're going to pay like 20,000 pesos and up for resale for this one, I really just can't recommend it. So yeah, guys, that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, and hit the notification bell, as we are doing a lot of giveaways on this channel. I am about to draw the winner of the latest giveaway, so please do make sure that you are glued to this space so that you can see if you guys win. And lastly, I have a playlist of the coverage of the Manila Sneaker Expo 7. I have, I think, like 3 or 4 videos already, and I will be adding more in the coming days ahead. So if you guys haven't watched my coverage of the Manila Sneaker Expo 7, the link to the playlist is down below. I will also be putting a link to my coverage, my playlist coverage of the Urban Affair 2 sneaker event that happened a few, or maybe last month. So that one has around 4 to 5 videos as well. If you haven't watched it yet, go binge watch it. Why? Because if you are a Filipino, you get to see what the sneaker scene is happening right now here in Manila. If you are not a Filipino, if you are a foreigner, you guys get to see how popping and how crazy the sneaker scene already is here in the Philippines. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you guys are having an excellent week. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom!